Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a new bus service that the JUTC is offering. You can now take a JUTC bus from Kingston to Montego Bay. You can take a JUTC bus from Halfway Tree to Montego Bay, from Halfway Tree to Negril, and from Halfway Tree to a few other locations across the island. Now, these are the buses that will be used. They are on the road now and they will be used for the new service. It's called a Rural Bus Service. Now, this is different from the rural school bus system. The school bus system is 110 school buses. That system is different buses from this new service that the JUTC is offering. So if you have been following the channel, this is something we have spoken about before many times, that we need the JUTC to operate services from town to town, especially Kingston to Montego Bay. Now the service is going to start at $2,000, which is a game changer because that is almost 60% cheaper than the private bus company that offers that service. So it will definitely be interesting to see how this new service takes over the market, basically. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. And guys, let us know what you think about this new service. I think it's a game changer, something that is needed. And hopefully, as more buses come in, the government is able to expand this service to include 1, more towns, and 2, more trips or more routes. Alright guys. In a major step towards improving public transportation in Jamaica, the government has launched a new Rural Express service under the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC. This development was marked by the official handover of 93 buses valued at 2.35 billion Jamaican dollars at the Portmore Depot in Brayton, St. Catherine by Minister of Transport Darrell Vaz. This handover forms part of a wider 300 bus expansion plan aimed at transforming the country's public transport system to better serve both urban and rural commuters. Of the 93 buses, 15 diesel-powered units will be used to launch the new Rural Express service, which will offer premium long-distance travel from Halfway Tree to key regional towns including Negril, Montego Bay, Port Antonio, and Mandeville. These routes will feature minimal stops to ensure efficiency and convenience, operating at an introductory fare of 2,000 Jamaican dollars. This initiative marks the first time that the state-run JUTC will offer extensive inter-parish routes on this scale, filling a gap in affordable, reliable long-haul transportation. Vaz emphasized that this expansion was not only about convenience but also about providing government-supported competition to the private sector. He highlighted that Jamaicans deserve transportation options regardless of their ability to afford private operators, and described the new service as a meaningful step toward inclusivity and accessibility. The 93 buses include 63 compressed natural gas, CNG vehicles, and 30 diesel buses. The diesel buses will primarily serve the new Rural Express and charter services, while the CNG buses will be deployed along new and existing routes operated from the Spanish Town Depot corridor. These routes include Longville, Linstead, Kitson Town, Spanish Town, and Mandeville. The introduction of CNG buses continues Jamaica's shift toward cleaner energy sources, aligning with environmental and economic goals. Mr. Vaz also revealed that an additional 7 buses are being specially prepared to serve members of the special needs community, scheduled to arrive in August 2025. This reflects our broader commitment to making the public transit system more inclusive and equitable, ensuring mobility for all Jamaicans regardless of physical ability. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.